What's the core difference between artificial intelligence AI versus generative AI with different features? First one being core purpose. Artificial intelligence is basically used to analyze, predict, classify, and automate decisions, whereas generative AI is used to create new content. It could be text, image, or music. And the examples for artificial intelligence being spam filters in Gmail, spam, not a spam, classification problems, recommendation engines like the Netflix recommendation system, voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and generative AI, it is ChatGPT, DALL, Sora from OpenAI, and Midjourney. Input and output. Input output decision labeling is put. Like for example, if I have a classification problem where I say red goes to this bin, blue in this, and green in this, so labeling is done, or classification problems. And generative AI, it's mostly prompt is the original input, and from that you get the output. So learning style. Learning patterns for AI is to make accurate predictions. It learns patterns to generate new data. Tech behind it. For artificial intelligence, it is decision tree, SVM, neural networks. And for generative AI, it's GAN, VAEs, and the transformers. Use cases: fraud detection, medical diagnosis, search engines, ranking. And for generative AI, it's writing scripts, designing art, and composing. Creativity level. For AI, it's low because it follows rules and logics. How about generative AI? It's high because it can mimic human intelligence and creativity, thus making it more creative.